Hey guys, I cut a nice striper or striped bass yesterday, and today I'm going to cook one of the fillets outside of my little Weber Q1200 gas grill. I'm going to use a 10-inch cast iron skillet for this. This is the same one I use in my toaster oven all the time. So I already put some avocado oil into the bottom of it. And this is my striper fillet here. This was a 20-inch striper. I live in Northern California, and around here they got to be 18 inches to keep. So this is a pretty nice fillet here. What I usually do after I fillet them is just put them in some water and sprinkle a little salt in there. That'll kind of help get rid of any muddy taste that they might have. Sometimes freshwater fish will have a little bit of a muddy taste. I usually do that with any type of fish that I catch and fillet. So I think I'm just going to cut this in half so it will fit in the pan a little bit better. And then I like putting some cornmeal on them, so I don't even dip them in anything. I just kind of sprinkle it on both sides, and it'll usually stick pretty good. Alright, that looks pretty good. I am going to cook this on high. And I'm going to let the pan preheat for a few minutes before I put the fish in there. This has been preheating for about 10 minutes, so we'll get the fish in there now. And I didn't season the fish with anything. I just used some salt and pepper after I turn it over. I'm pretty basic with my seasonings. All right. It's been about 8 minutes, so let's see how these are doing here. See if they're browning up. Well, I think they look pretty good. I'm gonna see if I can flip them over here. Okay. Those look pretty good, not bad. I think I'm gonna also add a couple of eggs. I like having fish and eggs, like if I'm camping and I have fresh fish, I like having fish and eggs for breakfast. So, get a couple eggs in there as well. All right, looks like I did it without them breaking. We'll get the lid back on for a few more minutes. It's been about 3 or 4 minutes since I flipped those. Let's see how we're doing here. Starting to look pretty good. Oh yeah, I forgot to season them. A little salt and pepper on everything here. A little kosher salt there, and this is just some pepper, regular old black pepper. All right. I think that looks pretty good. The eggs are almost done, so as soon as they're a little bit firmer, I think the fish is done already, so it's almost done. My eggs look about the way I want them, and the fish is done. It's flaky, so I'm going to get that off of there. That took less than 15 minutes, and it looks pretty good. All right, let's see how this looks here. Okay. Eggs didn't stick to the pan. They'll come out. See how the fish looks here. Nice and flaky. I love striped bass. Looks real juicy and moist. So let's give it a shot here. Man, that is so good. Of all the kinds of fish I've ever caught, I think striper is right up there. It probably is my favorite. I wasn't sure if Annie, the taste test dog, was going to show up. I don't think she's as big on fish as she is on like beef and stuff, but we'll give her a piece and see what she thinks. There you go, Annie. Well, she's eating it. Not going as crazy as she does like with steak and stuff, but she seems to like it pretty good. Well, that turned out really good on that little grill. So if you're out camping or something and you got fresh fish, try some fresh fish and eggs. It's a good camping breakfast. Thanks for watching. See you guys.